I'm going to show you how to use a sales funnel that will increase your sales and is so good it will 10x your income. Stay tuned. Hey, welcome back. Nice to see you again. If it's your first time here, my name is Paul, and this channel is all about success mindset and sales training videos just like this one. So if you want to succeed in life and business and get more sales, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel below, and don't forget to hit that bell notification button so you don't miss anything. Listen, whether you are an artist, a musician, an author, a success coach, most people online are doing it wrong. They're trying to sell directly and that shit just doesn't work no more, causing them to give up or never reach that higher level. Even worse, if you are not using a sales funnel, you are not reselling to the same people, you are not building a following, and it's killing your sales. You could be making 10, 20, 30 times more if you just had a sales funnel. Now, in order to show you what a sales funnel is and how to use it, I'm going to show you my funnel, how I use it. It's very simple and it works. So I wrote a couple of books. I wrote Success IAO, Improvise, Adapt, and Overcome. And I also wrote The Closers Part 3 with the living legend Bengay III. Now, these books are both sold online on Amazon, Barnes & Noble, iTunes, but are also sold in physical shops around the world, and we sell a lot ourselves. In the beginning, I tried to sell our books directly with paid marketing. This didn't work too well. So what I did is start giving my book for free. Don't worry, don't panic, just listen. What I did is make a sales funnel where I used my book as a lead magnet. Now, I made a landing page and you can actually see it at successiao.com. Now, what I did is drive traffic to this landing page through Facebook, through YouTube, like I am now, through Twitter. You get the idea. I drove traffic to this landing page, and I did it both with free traffic, organic, and paid traffic. Now, when people got to this landing page, they would download the electronic version of the book for free. So basically, there's a video there explaining what the book is about, selling them the book. And once they got it for free, I would get their email address. Now, what I did was lead them to another thank you page. And don't worry, this is very easy to do, and I'll show you how at the end of this video. Just bear with me, yes? Once I got their email address, they would get a thank you page, which will provide them the link to their free copy of the book, but also an option to get it on Amazon as a paperback copy. After that, they would get a series of emails every 3 days with content of value, free value. So I would give them success tips. Yeah? I would also give them quotes or something. And I would also direct them to videos of mine on YouTube and social media accounts where they can get more things for free. This builds rapport, and as they're reading, you can give them the option to buy the Amazon version. Now, if they buy the Amazon version, that's great. If they don't, they still go through the funnel, and they get to an email where it asks them if they're interested in sales and gives them a video on how to sell to get more deals. So let's say they go to a sales video, a video on sales. If they click, they're also added to another list that has to do with sales. If they don't click, then they're added to the list they're on and continue receiving free emails and value until I have something else to offer them. Now, what this will do is build you a following. People will trust you. People will like you. They will engage with you. And then you can sell them things. And you start by selling them something cheap or give them something for free. Then you put up the price to something that's better, will help them more, and that way it's much easier to sell. This not only increased my sales, it increased my network, and I got more speaking engagements, and I got more deals from companies to go and motivate people, but also to teach them sales. Now, there is a science on how to build an effective landing page, and let me show you what you can do right now. You can go to successiao.com or go to the closers3.com and see the actual sales funnels that I use, and they work. They're very simple and they work. Now, if you go to these landing pages, what you're gonna see is sales copy and a video. And this video is made to sell. It works. What I'm gonna do is explain to you the system that you can sell anything to anybody at any time. And I'm gonna leave a link to a video right up here. Watch that video. Look at the landing page, take this advice, and you will increase your sales and network, I promise you. Now, if you're wondering how to build a landing page, it's very easy. I use GetResponse, but you can also use ClickFunnels, and I will leave a link in the description below. Listen, you need to have a landing page. You need a sales funnel. Everyone needs a funnel. And don't forget to watch this video. This video will show you how to sell anything to anybody. You will be blown away how much this increases your sales. I'll see you in the next video. As always, I'm Paul Democritou, and until next time, keep succeeding.